Welcome to the fascinating world of circuit design. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, understanding the basics of circuit design opens up a whole new realm of possibilities in electronics. Circuit design is the process of planning and creating electronic circuits that perform specific functions. These circuits can be found everywhere, from your smartphone to household appliances. In this video, we'll break down the core concepts, explore essential components, and guide you through the logic behind designing circuits. Let's start our journey by understanding what makes up a circuit and why design is so crucial in the world of electronics. At its core, a circuit is a closed loop that allows electric current to flow. This loop is made up of various components like resistors, capacitors, and transistors, all connected by conductive paths. The purpose of a circuit is to control the flow of electricity to achieve a desired outcome, such as lighting a bulb or powering a computer. Understanding how these components interact is the first step in circuit design. As we move forward, we'll see how each part plays a unique role in the overall function of the circuit. Circuits come in many forms, but the two main types are series and parallel circuits. In a series circuit, components are connected end-to-end, so the current flows through each component one after another. In a parallel circuit, components are connected across common points, allowing current to split and flow through multiple paths. Each type has its own advantages and applications. For example, series circuits are simple and easy to design, while parallel circuits provide more reliability since one component failing won't break the entire circuit. Resistors are one of the most fundamental components in any circuit. Their main job is to limit or control the flow of electric current. By adding resistance, they help protect sensitive parts of the circuit and ensure everything operates safely. You'll find resistors in nearly every electronic device from radios to computers. When designing a circuit, choosing the right resistor value is crucial for achieving the desired performance and protecting other components from damage. Capacitors are another essential component in circuit design. They store and release electrical energy, acting like tiny rechargeable batteries. Capacitors are used to smooth out voltage fluctuations, filter signals, and even provide bursts of energy when needed. Their ability to store charge makes them vital in power supply circuits and timing applications. Understanding how and when to use capacitors is a key skill for any circuit designer. Transistors are often called the building blocks of modern electronics. They act as switches or amplifiers, controlling the flow of current in a circuit. By using transistors, designers can create complex functions like amplification, logic operations, and signal processing. The invention of the transistor revolutionized electronics, making it possible to build smaller, faster, and more reliable devices. Mastering how to use transistors is a major milestone in learning circuit design. Circuit diagrams are the universal language of electronics. They use standardized symbols to represent components and show how everything connects. Learning to read and draw circuit diagrams is essential for anyone interested in circuit design. These diagrams help designers plan, troubleshoot, and communicate their ideas clearly. As we progress, we'll look at some common symbols and how to interpret them in real-world design. Every circuit needs a power source to function. This could be a battery, a wall outlet, or even solar panels. The power source provides the voltage and current necessary for the circuit to operate. Choosing the right power source is important for safety and performance. Too much voltage can damage components, while too little may cause the circuit to malfunction. Understanding power requirements is a key part of circuit design. Conductors and insulators play vital roles in circuit design. Conductors, like copper wires, allow electricity to flow easily, connecting components together. Insulators, such as plastic coatings, prevent unwanted current flow and protect users from electric shock. Selecting the right materials for conductors and insulators ensures the circuit is both efficient and safe. This balance is at the heart of every well-designed circuit. Switches are simple yet powerful components in circuit design. They control the flow of electricity by opening or closing the circuit. This allows users to turn devices on or off with ease. Switches come in many forms, from basic toggles to advanced electronic switches. Including the right type of switch in your design can greatly enhance usability and safety. Fuses are safety devices designed to protect circuits from excessive current. When too much current flows, the fuse breaks the circuit, preventing damage to components and reducing fire risk. Including fuses or other protection devices is a critical step in responsible circuit design. This ensures that even if something goes wrong, the circuit remains safe for users and equipment. Breadboards are invaluable tools for prototyping and testing circuit designs. They allow you to quickly build and modify circuits without soldering. This makes experimenting with different layouts and components easy and efficient. Breadboards are especially useful for beginners, providing a hands-on way to learn about circuit connections and troubleshooting. Printed circuit boards, or PCBs, are the backbone of most modern electronics. They provide a stable platform for mounting components and connecting them with precise copper traces. Designing a PCB requires careful planning to ensure all parts fit and function correctly. PCBs make circuits more reliable, compact, and easier to mass-produce, which is why they're used in everything from smartphones to industrial machines. In circuit design, it's important to distinguish between a schematic and a layout. The schematic is a symbolic representation of the circuit, showing how components are connected. The layout, on the other hand, is the physical arrangement of those components on a board. Both are essential. The schematic guides the design, while the layout ensures everything fits and works in the real world. Circuits can be classified as analog or digital. Analog circuits process continuous signals like audio or temperature, while digital circuits handle discrete signals such as binary data. Each type has its own design considerations and applications. For example, analog circuits are used in audio amplifiers, while digital circuits are found in computers and smartphones. Understanding the difference helps you choose the right approach for your project. Ohm's law is a fundamental principle in circuit design. It states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance. This relationship, expressed as V equals IR, helps designers calculate the values needed for resistors and other components to ensure the circuit works as intended. Kirchhoff's laws are essential tools for analyzing complex circuits. The current law states that the total current entering a junction equals the total current leaving it. The voltage law says that the sum of all voltages around a closed loop is zero. These laws help designers solve for unknown values and ensure the circuit behaves as expected. Signal flow refers to the path that electrical signals take through a circuit. Understanding how signals move from input to output is crucial for designing circuits that perform specific tasks like amplifying sound or processing data. By mapping out the signal flow, designers can identify potential issues and optimize performance. Feedback is a technique used to control the behavior of circuits, especially in amplifiers and control systems. By feeding a portion of the output back into the input, designers can stabilize or enhance performance. Positive feedback can increase gain, while negative feedback improves stability and reduces distortion. Mastering feedback is key to advanced circuit design. Reliability is a top priority in circuit design. This means choosing quality components, providing adequate protection, and designing for redundancy where needed. Reliable circuits are less likely to fail and can withstand real-world conditions. By considering reliability from the start, designers create products that last longer and perform better. Heat can be a major issue in electronic circuits. Components like transistors and power supplies generate heat during operation. Effective thermal management, such as using heat sinks or fans, prevents overheating and extends component life. Designers must consider heat dissipation in their layouts to ensure safe and reliable operation. Testing is a crucial step in circuit design. By checking each part of the circuit, designers can identify and fix problems before finalizing the design. Debugging tools like multimeters and oscilloscopes help measure voltages, currents, and signals. Thorough testing ensures the circuit works as intended and meets all requirements. Simulation software allows designers to test circuits virtually before building them. Programs like SPICE let you model how a circuit will behave under different conditions. This saves time and resources by catching errors early in the design process. Simulations are an essential part of modern circuit design workflows. Great circuit design isn't just functional, it's also manufacturable. This means considering how the circuit will be assembled, tested, and maintained in large quantities. Good design for manufacturability reduces costs, speeds up production, and ensures consistent quality. It's a key consideration for any product destined for the market. Safety is paramount in circuit design. This involves using proper insulation, fuses, and grounding techniques to protect users and equipment. Designers must also comply with safety standards and regulations. Prioritizing safety from the beginning helps prevent accidents and ensures the circuit can be used confidently in any environment. Electromagnetic interference, or EMI, can disrupt circuit operation. It's caused by unwanted electromagnetic signals from nearby devices or components. Designers use shielding, filtering, and careful layout to minimize EMI and ensure reliable performance. Understanding EMI is especially important in sensitive applications like medical or communication devices. Grounding is a fundamental aspect of circuit safety and performance. A good grounding system prevents unwanted currents and protects against electrical faults. Designers use various grounding techniques such as single-point or multi-point grounding depending on the application. Proper grounding is essential for both safety and signal integrity. Designing a reliable power supply is crucial for any circuit. The power supply must provide the correct voltage and current for all components. Designers often include voltage regulators, filters, and protection circuits to ensure stable and safe operation. A well-designed power supply is the foundation of a successful electronic device. Choosing the right components is a key part of circuit design. Factors like voltage ratings, power handling, and tolerance must be considered. Selecting quality components ensures the circuit will perform as expected and have a long lifespan. Designers often consult datasheets and manufacturer recommendations during this process. Good documentation is essential for successful circuit design. This includes schematics, layouts, parts lists, and test procedures. Clear documentation helps others understand, build, and maintain the circuit. It also makes troubleshooting and future upgrades much easier. Circuit design is often an iterative process. Designers build, test, and refine their circuits multiple times to achieve the best results. Each iteration brings improvements and helps catch potential issues early. Embracing iteration leads to more robust and reliable designs. There are many tools and resources available to help with circuit design. Software like Eagle, KiCad, and Altium Designer streamline the process of creating schematics and layouts. Online forums, tutorials, and datasheets provide valuable information and support. Leveraging these resources makes designing circuits more accessible and efficient. Even experienced designers make mistakes. Common errors include incorrect component values, poor layout, and inadequate protection. Being aware of these pitfalls helps you avoid them in your own designs. Learning from mistakes is an important part of becoming a skilled circuit designer. Modern electronics demand smaller and more efficient circuits. Miniaturization involves using tiny components and advanced layouts to fit more functionality into less space. This trend drives innovation in everything from smartphones to medical devices. Designers must balance size, performance, and manufacturability when working on miniaturized circuits. Sustainable circuit design is becoming increasingly important. Designers are choosing eco-friendly materials, reducing energy consumption, and planning for recycling at the end of a product's life. These considerations help protect the environment and meet regulatory requirements. Responsible design benefits both users and the planet. Wireless technology is everywhere, from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth. Designing wireless circuits involves special considerations like antenna placement, signal strength, and interference. These circuits enable communication without physical connections, opening up new possibilities for devices and applications. Microcontrollers are small computers on a chip used to control circuits and automate tasks. They can process inputs, run programs, and control outputs, making them ideal for smart devices. Integrating microcontrollers into your designs adds intelligence and flexibility to your circuits. Sensors detect changes in the environment, like temperature or light, and convert them into electrical signals. Actuators do the opposite, turning electrical signals into physical actions such as moving a motor. Including sensors and actuators in your circuit designs enables interaction with the real world. Internet of Things connects everyday devices to the internet, allowing them to communicate and share data. Circuit design for IoT involves integrating sensors, wireless modules, and microcontrollers. This creates smart systems that can be monitored and controlled remotely, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to agriculture. Designing for power efficiency means using less energy to achieve the same results. This is especially important for battery-powered devices. Techniques like low-power components, sleep modes, and efficient layouts help extend battery life and reduce energy costs. Modular design involves building circuits from interchangeable blocks or modules. This makes it easier to upgrade, repair, or expand a system. Modular circuits are common in industrial and consumer electronics, offering flexibility and scalability for future needs. A successful circuit design considers the end user. This means making devices easy to use, reliable, and safe. Good user experience comes from thoughtful design choices, clear interfaces, and intuitive controls. Keeping the user in mind leads to more successful and widely adopted products. Circuit design is constantly evolving. Emerging trends include flexible electronics, wearable devices, and integration with artificial intelligence. Staying informed about new technologies and methods helps designers stay ahead and create innovative solutions for tomorrow's challenges. Becoming a skilled circuit designer takes practice and continuous learning. Experimenting with new projects, studying existing designs, and keeping up with industry trends all contribute to growth. The more you design, the more confident and creative you'll become in solving electronic challenges. Circuit design is both a science and an art. It combines technical knowledge with creativity to solve real-world problems and bring ideas to life. Whether you're designing simple circuits or complex systems, the principles you've learned will guide you toward success. Keep exploring, experimenting, and innovating. The world of circuit design is full of endless possibilities.